Hello, traders. Welcome to this week's Stock Profit of the Week update. We are going to discuss Alibaba stock. Why do we see Alibaba as the profit of the week? Alibaba approaches its Q4 earnings announcement on May 15th with positive momentum. Analysts anticipate EPS of $1.73, representing significant growth from $1.40 a year ago. Revenue is projected to reach $32.9 billion, up from $30.7 billion in the comparable period. While these figures reflect a seasonal decline from the holiday-driven Q3, they still demonstrate continued year-over-year growth. The escalating US-China trade tensions create a complex backdrop for this earnings report. Recent trade restrictions could potentially impact Alibaba's cloud computing operations if chip availability becomes constrained. Additionally, these results will serve as a critical indicator of Chinese consumer health amid deflationary pressures and tariff headwinds. Cloud performance remains a key focus for investors, particularly given the market's emphasis on AI capabilities. The Cloud Intelligence Group showed renewed momentum last quarter with 13% year-over-year growth, and CEO Eddie Wu highlighted expectations for accelerating AI product growth. The sustainability white paper recently released by Alibaba Cloud showcases practical AI applications like the Energy Expert platform used by over 3,000 organizations globally. Analyst sentiment is overwhelmingly positive, with 54 strong buy/buy ratings compared to just one strong sell. The average price target of $165.63 represents a substantial 31.7% upside from current levels. This confidence comes despite the stock's significant volatility, having rallied over 80% from January to March before declining 35% as US trade policy shifted. The technical picture shows improved momentum, with the stock trading above its 9-day and 21-day exponential moving averages after recovering over 30% from April lows. Options markets suggest an expected move of approximately 7.5% following the earnings announcement. The stock is currently challenging its 50-day simple moving average, a key level surrendered in early April. Now, let's go to the chart. Looking at Alibaba's daily chart, the stock is currently trading at $125.28, having established key support levels at $114.19 and $103.52, with resistance levels defined at $136.83 and $147.44. The price is showing positive momentum, trading above the 20-day moving average, red line, which has recently begun curving upward, suggesting improving technical strength. This moving average is now providing dynamic support as the stock approaches the earnings announcement. Key levels to watch include immediate resistance at $136.83, which represents a significant barrier as it aligns with previous consolidation from March. A breakthrough above this level could open the path toward the more substantial resistance at $147.44. On the downside, support at $114.19 represents a critical level that has been tested and held during recent pullbacks, with secondary support at $103.52 providing additional floor in case of negative earnings reaction. The stochastic oscillator is moving in the mid-range, neither overbought nor oversold, suggesting room for movement in either direction following the earnings announcement. Volume patterns have been steady, though likely to increase significantly around the May 15th announcement. As always, remember to implement proper risk management strategies before entering any positions, particularly given the upcoming earnings announcement and the continued uncertainty surrounding US-China trade relations. That's all for today. See you in the next analysis video.